Good morning, class. Welcome to English class. Let's start a new chapter, lesson 5, that is Helen Keller. So let's begin. Helen Keller was born in a small town in Alabama in 1880. When she was 2 years old, she became ill, and day after day her fever stayed high. Slowly, her mother came to know that Helen was both blind and deaf. Helen Keller was born in Alabama in 1880. At the age of 2, when she was 2 years old, she got fever, and day after day fever increases, and she had a high fever. Then her mother came to know that her daughter Helen was blind as well as deaf. Blind means she could not see anything, and deaf means could not hear anything. So she was both blind and deaf. She could not see and she could not hear anything. Helen grew into a bright little girl. Some people thought that Helen could not learn anything. Her mother did not agree. Helen is very smart, she said, and added, "The problem is, how can we reach her?" She locked inside herself. So Helen was a special child, as she was disabled child. People around her thought that Helen could not learn anything, as she was blind and deaf. She could not see and could not hear anything. So how can she learn things? But her mother was not agree with them. She said that Helen was very smart girl and she would learn things. And she said that how they can make her learn, how they get the solution. She said that they were not getting the right solution. They should find out. To open her to learn things, and they have to make her learn. Okay, class, we'll continue tomorrow. Good morning, class. Welcome to English class. Let's continue with the lesson Helen Keller. Come on page number 30, third paragraph. Let's begin. In earlier, we know that Helen's mother believed that she was very smart and she will able to learn. Helen began to grow wild. She would not let anyone comb her hair. Her clothes were always dirty. She was often angry. Sometimes she even lay on the floor and kicked her feet. When Helen was 7 years old, her mothers thought that they should find a teacher for her. Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen learn to see the world. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. D-O-L-L spells doll. She spelled the words with her fingers into Helen's hand. She made the letter with special hand signs. Helen copied her teacher and spelled D-O-L-L too. She liked Miss Sullivan. She was strict but kind. She spelled a lot of words to Helen on her hand day and night to make Helen understand. So, as she was growing young, she was becoming wild, as no one could control her. She would not let anyone comb her hair. She would not let anyone wash her clothes. She wear dirty. She sometimes show anger, and वो ज़मीन पर लेट जाती थी और ज़मीन पर पैर से मारने लगती थी. And she become very angry. Then her parents assigned a teacher for Helen when she was 7 years old, so that she could learn something. Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, Miss Sullivan was ready to teach or help Helen to learn. She brought a doll with her and she gave it to Helen. Then she held Helen's hand, and through her fingers on Helen's hand she spelled the words D-O-L-L. By imitating her teacher, Helen did the same, and she spelled D-O-L-L. As as Miss Sullivan made special hand signs of the letters to make Helen learn. Though the teacher was strict, Helen liked her as she was caring and friendly. To make Helen understand the letters, she made several signs of words on her hand. Whole day and night she was after Helen to make her learn. One day her teacher made Helen put her hand into the running water. Then she spelled WATER. Suddenly Helen understood that WATER meant something wet running over her hands. She understood that words were the most important things and words would tell her everything she wanted to know. So, एक दिन क्या होता है, मिस सुलेवान हेलन के हाथ को पानी में डाल देती हैं, गिरते हुए पानी में, चलते हुए पानी में डाल देती हैं और फिर उसके हाथ पे बनाती हैं WATER. तभी हेलन को समझ में आता है कि अचानक से हेलन को समझ में आता है कि WATER मतलब होता है कुछ गीला और उसके हाथ पे जैसे पानी गिर रहा होता है. उसके बाद उसे समझ में आता है कि जो शब्द होते हैं वो सबसे ज़रूरी होते हैं किसी भी चीज़ को जानने के लिए. क्या अगला व्यक्ति क्या कह रहा है, इसके लिए हमें बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है वर्ड्स को जानना. By that time, Helen learned sign language. She read and wrote in Braille. Helen was taught to read the speech of others with her fingers. After that, Helen began to learn and she learned sign languages. She learned after getting the knowledge of words, she read and write in Braille. Braille is the device in which blind people study. As she was deaf too, she was made to learn to read what someone is saying with her fingers. At the age of 16 years, Helen attended college. Helen graduated in 1904 with honors. She started writing books. She became really a successful woman. She was a blind, deaf writer and a disability educator. She was learned. She knew 5 different languages including English, French, German, Latin and Greek. She died in 1968. She was 18 years old then. So, Helen attended college when she was 16 years old. She graduated in 1904 with the honors degree. After that, she began to write books. Graduation means it is a 3-year course after 12th class. After that, she began to write books. She became famous. Though she was blind and deaf, she was a blind and deaf writer also, and she gave education to the people who were not normal like others, like we are. She knew 5 different languages. Which were they? English, French, German, Latin and Greek. At the age of 89, she died in 1968. Okay class, let's see the word meanings. Often means sometimes, agreed, having the same opinion, strict, people who follow rules, kicked, strike forcibly with the foot. Angry, annoyed, wet, covered with liquid, disability, not being normal, able like others. Educator, person who provides education. As disability means not being normal like Helen Keller, as she was not normal, she was blind and deaf also. Okay class, thank you. We will start with exercise tomorrow.